Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to prepare a very simple recipe, egg roast. Okay, so for that what we need for the gravy. Okay, it's not exactly gravy, it's roast type, so it will be a semi gravy type thing. Okay, so we need at least 3 to 4 medium size of onions. Then we need a full garlic, because the taste of garlic is actually gonna enhance this dish. So we need garlic, very little of ginger, very finely chopped ginger. Okay, very little we want, like less than half an inch. Okay, lot of curry leaves. If you don't have curry leaves, you can just use bay leaves, but if you have coriander leaves, you can use, just add at the last. And then green chili, I have just slit green chili into pieces. So this is 4 to 5 green chilies. And then the king of this recipe is the eggs, because we are making egg roast. Okay, fine. We have taken hard boiled eggs, we have removed the shells, and then we'll make these type of just cuts. So this is done. So this is the dry masalas what I am going to add here. First I'll put mustard seeds, red chili, coriander powder, turmeric, haldi, and garam masala powder. Okay, so these all dry ingredients we will use with. Okay friends, here I have kept one kadhai. To this, first I will just switch on the gas. So I have switched on the gas. Keep this in low to medium heat. Okay, now to this I'll add oil. So I'm adding, actually here I am adding olive oil. You can add any vegetable oil. You can add coconut oil also. Okay, actually coconut oil's taste will be more better than any oil, but just I feel that for my family I use olive oil, so I'm adding this olive oil. Okay, so here I'm almost using 1 to 1.5 tablespoon of olive oil. And the next step will be adding mustard seed. Okay, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Okay friends, so now the mustard seed has started popping up. So now what we will do, we'll add finely chopped onion. Okay, so I'm adding finely chopped onion to this. Green chili also will add. Then curry leaves. And now we'll saute it. At this moment I'll add garlic and ginger. It's fine. Just to fasten the process, I'll add half a teaspoon of salt just now. Like this. And mix it well. Now to this, what I want to add is the dry ingredients, means in the sense are all dry masalas. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. I've added 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Coriander powder, half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili. If you don't like too much of spicy, then you can just remove the green chilies and then add red chili also. Okay. Now we will mix it nicely. Yeah, so now I'll add eggs. Okay, so I'm going to add I've added hard-boiled egg. Now we'll mix it. We will mix it like this. Keep it just for 2 to 3 minutes like this. And you just taste for the salt. Yeah, salt is less. Okay, you will add salt but not just now. I'll show you when. Now we'll add a little bit of water, not too much, little bit of water, just to get that semi-gravy consistency. So we'll just add a little bit of water. If you want a gravy type, you can add a little bit more water, but I want a semi-gravy, not semi-gravy also, semi-dry gravy type thing. I'll show you how. This much is enough for me. Okay. So keep it like this. Okay. And then add a little bit of salt. Just little bit. Not too much. Okay, and then meanwhile it's boiling, we will add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. See, so just mix once more you mix like this and keep this for another 4 to 5 minutes. That's all. In low to medium flame, not on high, low to medium, like this. Just let it boil like this. That's all. Final result I'll show you.